Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video with Everything Design. Yes, I know it's been a while, but I'm back and I'll be working to bring you more content, especially beginner-friendly videos. Many of you have reached out asking for tutorials tailored to newcomers, and I've heard you. So, stay tuned, those videos are on the way. In today's video, I thought it would be helpful to walk you through the process of uploading 3D models to Coohom. As you can see here, I already have several models uploaded. These are ones I added previously. Now, the process is quite simple. First, start by clicking Upload Models. This will take you to a page that outlines all the requirements for your model upload. You can upload up to 20 models, and each model should not exceed 200 megabytes. Coohom supports several file formats, which are specified on the upload page. Before you attempt to upload anything, you'll want to find a beautiful model. In my case, I was searching for a stunning chandelier to complement my design. I discovered a couple of excellent websites that offer expansive libraries of 3D models. The first one is unparalleled.com. This site has an impressive collection, not just lighting fixtures like lamps and chandeliers, but virtually everything. Furniture, beauty salon items, bathroom accessories, bedroom sets, outdoor pieces, you name it. You'll also get 3 free credits every day, meaning you can download up to 3 models daily. That's more than enough for most needs. We're not here trying to upload 1 million models a day, after all. The second one is cgtrader.com, another fantastic resource. It offers a wide range of 3D models, including PBR, physically based rendering, assets. You'll find both free and premium models available for download. Once you've found a model you like, download it. I've chosen these lamps to demonstrate. Let's begin with the first one. First, check the file size. This one is 4.8 megabytes, well within the 200 megabytes limit. Click Download. The model will be downloaded as a .zip file. While waiting, remember, even though daily credits are limited, you can download unlimited free models if they're marked as such. Once the zip file has finished downloading, right-click and select Extract Here to unzip the contents. Go back to Coohom, click Upload from Computer, and open the folder you just extracted. Inside, you'll find various file types. Coohom accepts formats such as .fbx, max, and more. I usually prefer max, but you're free to try any compatible format. Next, select your model category. In this case, it's a chandelier. Specify the location for chandeliers, that would be ceiling light. You can leave the SKU field empty. Once everything's ready, click Submit Model. After submission, you can either view the model or continue uploading others. Let's take a look at our newly uploaded model. Click My Models to view everything you've uploaded. As you can see, I've already added quite a few. Now, let's move to editing and rendering. Open a project in Coohom. Navigate to Models, My Uploads, where all your imported models will be available. Simply drag and drop the model into your scene. You now have 2 main options. Use the material editor to customize finishes and materials. Adjust and refine the model to suit the mood and style of your design. Now, let me show you a quick example. Let's try changing the color of a lamp to a luminous pink material. The result? Stunning. It creates a soft, elegant glow, subtle yet undeniably captivating. Keep in mind, this preview is in daylight mode, so the effect may appear faint. For a more dramatic and accurate visual, I recommend using the real-time rendering feature, which I'll walk you through now. Simply go to Render, Real-Time Rendering. I already have a scene prepared, so I'll access that directly. What makes this tool remarkable is its live feedback. You get to see your changes unfolding in real time. And the customization options? Generous and intuitive. For instance, in the lighting section, Coohom impressively auto-detects which components should be treated as luminous and which should be rendered as glass. Even if your model doesn't come with pre-applied materials, Coohom interprets it with a surprising level of intelligence. It doesn't just display a bare 3D shell. Now, if your light appears too faint, you can easily modify it. You have the freedom to increase or decrease the luminous energy as needed. In my case, I borrowed a brighter yellow shade from another lamp I previously worked on. I simply copied the material, then pasted it onto this new lamp. And voila, it instantly glowed with vivid brilliance. As for the luminous energy, I adjusted it to about 11.5, which I find to be the sweet spot for this particular setup. You can also tweak other aspects of the model. The glass, though I personally prefer the default crystal texture. The hardware and metallic finishes. In this example, I kept it in a cool blue tone to echo accents in the bathroom design I'm working on. Now, for those of you who still don't have a Coohom account, what are you waiting for? There's a special link below offering you up to 72% off on Coohom's most popular plans. And here's my sincere advice. Go for the yearly plan. It unlocks everything. The real-time rendering, material editor, advanced lighting tools, you name it. This real-time rendering feature alone is a game changer. It accelerates your workflow dramatically. No more endless rendering, no need to take 100 snapshots just to see how light hits the window. You design, edit, render, all in one elegant motion. Honestly, I've never experienced this level of efficiency with any other software. And the best part? It doesn't lag. Even in my case, living somewhere with frustratingly poor internet, Coohom runs like a dream. That deserves some serious respect. Let me switch to full screen so you can get a better look. And there it is, a beautifully refined, elegant lighting fixture sitting proudly within the scene. Let me know what you think of this bathroom design in the comments. I find it quite charming. So, if you haven't grabbed your discounted yearly plan yet, click the link below and use the code EVERYTHINGDESIGN to get started. I hope this video inspired you, helped you, or at least sparked a new idea. Thank you for watching. More videos are on the way. Until then, stay creative, stay curious. See you in the next one.